Convicted murderer Lori Vallow appearing in a courtroom just in the last few minutes to face murder conspiracy charges.
The so-called Doomsday mom is accused of conspiring to kill her ex-husband, Charles Vallow, and attempting to kill her niece's former husband, Brandon Boudreaux, in 2019. Vallow was extradited from Idaho, where back in May she was convicted for the murders of her two children and conspiring to kill her husband's ex-wife. Fox 10's Justin Lum was in the courtroom. He joins us live this morning with what he witnessed. And Justin, you have been on the forefront of this story and this case for many months now. And what were your thoughts as she walked into the courtroom here in Arizona?
Good morning, Celeste. The arraignment for Lori Vallow lasted for about 10 minutes or so. Pretty uneventful, but you have to think about the significance of this appearance and what this means for the case going forward. As we walked into the courtroom, we watched Lori Vallow in an isolated room with a deputy from MCSO just waiting for her appearance. And she looked at us in the courtroom, kind of glancing at us, smiling back at the deputy, very chatty. The demeanor hasn't really changed much from how we've seen her in the past through our coverage in trial and other court hearings. She has, been very calm and seemed to be aloof at really the circumstances around her, surrounding her, the seriousness of the trail of death around Lori Vallow. But like you said, now extradited here last week to Maricopa County from Idaho, really stepping foot onto Arizona soil for the first time in more than 4 years, and now ready to face these two murder conspiracy charges. I will tell you, the prosecution wants to change the date of the trial, which is initially scheduled for April 4th, 2024, and that also coincides with the trial of her husband, Chad Daybell, her co-defendant in Idaho. That's going on in April of 2024. They want that changed because basically these are two first-degree murder cases. They are ultimately complex cases for the county, and so those dates will probably be amended, and we will see this trial at a later date. Now, important to note, even if she wanted to enter a guilty plea today, she could not. This was a no guilty plea arraignment. Could a settlement happen in the near future? That is something that we wait to see if that happens, but she'll be at the Estrella jail waiting for this trial to begin. And just so you guys know, I'll be talking to the sister of Charles Vallow later today. She has been waiting for this for a very long time to seek some justice for her late brother.
Justin, as you watched, any surprises at all? It seemed like it was all pretty standard in terms of setting dates on the calendar for next year.
Yeah, pretty much a formality. The initial pretrial conference is scheduled for January 18th, 2024. As you guys know, these dates can change, fluctuate all the time here in the Maricopa County Superior Court system with all the cases that are handled. But it was interesting just to see her go up to the podium and state her name is Lori Vallow Daybell. She's never wavered from that, even though she's been called Lori Vallow Daybell. She is married to Chad Daybell. And as you remember, during her trial, in closing arguments, her defense basically argued that she had followed Chad Daybell's lead in these religious doomsday beliefs that led to these tragic murders. And from our sources, she didn't like that. So it seems like she is still very much in that, belief that she has a husband in Idaho that's also dealing with the same type of case and circumstances. Right now, she's Lori Vallow Daybell, and she has her beliefs, as we heard in her sentencing statement, that she's not afraid of death and that Jesus knows her, and that murders didn't happen. So this is a woman that a lot of people are watching, a lot of people are angry with as a convicted child murderer, but here, important to note, she's an accused murderer.
Yeah, here in Maricopa County.
Yeah, as those cases unfold, for sure.
We'll see more of Justin's reports later today. Justin, thank you so much for that.